It's running. Can you believe it? Amazing. Purrs like a kid. Oil pressure's good. Battery's charging. Still cold-blooded. Begins. Next week we're going to dig in. Guess what? The radio works.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? Starting trouble. No one likes that.
Can you believe it?
You might just need a fresh charge, and we'll take care of that free of charge. But if it is time for a new battery,
70 years old. Not bad. It leaks a little bit. That's okay.
At AutoZone.com. That's what makes us America's #1 battery.
It's great, isn't it?